change the batteries. If we look closely on this side, it does actually say Sega Toys 2000, and on this side it says McDonald's 2001. And if I use a little magnet and hold it in the right place, it does actually sing. Now I've put the microphone right next to it, so hopefully we'll hear it. I'm not quite sure whether it's supposed to do anything when you bounce it up and down, so I think I might still take it apart, just have a look inside. Bit of an afterthought this, I should have videoed this, but the little battery pack that comes out is actually glued to the plate there, so you can't swap the batteries unless you, well, as I did, cut it free. So now we can push the batteries out and replace them. Right, to unscrew it, I can see it wants the triangle screwdriver to undo it. I've got one somewhere. Yeah, this is one I actually made myself. I'm using my microphone there, so the sound might be a bit funny, it might be reversed. Okay, so what have we got inside? Onboard chip, that'll be generating the sounds. There's a contact there that this lever makes contact with. Which magnet will also move. And then there's a little lever back there. Where's my pointing stick? That lever there is the sound on off there. Where I thought something was missing, that's where the speaker is. I thought there was something missing from the hole there. So if I hold that to the our microphone, right, okay, I'll put it back together then. Doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it. Got it. That was a bit harder than I'd hoped. I've lined up the speaker with the microphone so we'll see how loud we can hear it. I think that'll do. It's back together and it's working.